guys, and welcome back to another unboxing video. My name is Thomas, and today I shall be doing this unboxing video while enjoying another one of Groovy Brewery's beers. This is a quadruple. So, cheers. Whoa. Whew. Yes, this is definitely a quadruple. 10.2%. Whoa. Oh, it's nice though. Got a lot of flavour. So this was actually sent in by a viewer from Belgium to be exact. And despite B-post, it actually got here, though with a big gouge in the box, as you can see. However, considering the nature of this board, it shouldn't matter all that much. So, let's have a look at this together. I've actually been looking for one of these for a long time, but they're not so easy to get hold of for less than a million billion. Well, that's exaggerated, but they cost more than you would think, despite how, well, bad really they are. That said, this box is a lot lighter than I thought it was going to be. So I'm very curious to see what's actually inside it. That sounded like a wet fart, but it's just me cutting through tape. Okay. More beer. Wow. Very nice though. Whew. Okay then. So, oh, it's whoa. Okay. Interesting. So, that's cute. This it includes a letter. I hope you have as much displeasure as I had typing on this thing. Greets, Stecker. Thanks, mate. The cutesy figures on this absolutely belie the nature of the keyboard we're about to take a look at. And some of you may already recognize just what this thing is. So... okay, let me first get rid of this box without knocking over my beer. There you go. It is, ta-da! Oh dear. Yes, so if you're wondering what this is one of those kiosk keyboards, so to speak. It's the kind of thing that you also get, well, in a smaller version on ATM machines, that sort of stuff. Okay, interesting sound. Did not see it coming. This is generally referred to, well, this is often referred to as a vandal-proof keyboard, or a hardened keyboard. And it's basically rubber domes with metal keycaps. This one has a built-in trackball. You see that very often too. Now, I'm just gonna quickly try and nab a magnet, if it ever lets go. Oh, this is not fun with my shoulder. To see, yeah, it's not magnetic. Now, it could be stainless steel, but it could also be aluminium. The thing is, this thing feels a lot lighter than I thought it was going to be. Now, it's very thin, as you can see, apart from the trackball module, which is poking out a little bit. Excuse me. But I thought it was going to be much heftier, and in fact I think I've seen keyboards like this, probably in full steel, that way around the 4 or 5 kilo mark. And like I said, they're often quite expensive, even though they are I mean, you can already tell this is fucking horrendous to type on, but what I didn't expect is the typing sound. You can hear a sort of little coin dingy sound. Very high pitched sometimes. Well, I'll have to do a proper a sound test during the actual review. But oh, the space bar is super stiff. Oh god. Okay, this is gonna be and these are the mouse buttons, so I'll try and use this as a mouse as well. Might actually be useful because at the moment I'm experiencing a little bit of RSI in my my arm. I have a mouse arm occasionally. In fact, I even bought a excuse me, vertical mouse for that recently. That beer. But maybe using a trackball is also, you know, ergonomic in that regard. So you can actually see the silicon mat here. I'm guessing that's to weatherproof it. In which case this may also be, well, not waterproof, but maybe water resistant. I don't know against exactly what kind of things this is all hardened. I imagine a lot of, you know, hard knocks not going to do anything to this keyboard. Yeah, but it is unfortunately USB, so I can't exactly say, oh, I couldn't use it for a week, so I just have to rely on my on my first impressions. I'm afraid I'm gonna have to well, live with this for a bit. Now it's gonna be somewhat interesting to get this thing balanced, let's say, because this weird box here that houses the trackball, I can't just, you know, put it, well, I can put it down, but it's going to be like this, which is not great. So I have to find something underneath that can stick underneath the keyboard and which is taller than this, or at least as tall as this part, in order to, you know, at least make something out of it, which is going to be fun. Now, I don't know what this keyboard is all about. It says Key Technology China Limited, which may be the most generic name for a keyboard company in history. Key Technology Limited. Okay. Made in China. Yeah, makes sense. I don't know what this was used with. Maybe I can find out. There was a specific machine they used it with or whatever. Maybe the previous owner has some backstory, actually. We'll see. Do I have something to balance this with? A lament configuration? If you know, you know. Well, it's not exactly flat, but, well, we'll see. Let's connect this up for a second. Wow. I think technically I should be able to spill that beer on this keyboard and it should be okay, but let's not. Okay. So let's see what we can do with this. Mouse works. Yeah. I think button works. Oh, that's interesting. What does this thing do? Is this maybe that's a scroll key? Something. Ooh, it's not the smoothest trackball ever. Okay. And then the keys. Okay, let me do the customary simple typing sentence. Where's oh, there's no right shift key. Great. That's the only shift key I use. Okay. I mean, there's not super slow typing, and I think it's not missing inputs or anything. It seems to be working fine. It's not. Oh, and by the way, it's a British model, I just noticed. It's not super slow typing, you know, like anything ergonomic ever or anything like that. That's not the case. It's just uncomfortable. I can't even imagine. And they're stiff as well. They're stiff keys. Oh, brother, this is going to be joy. So imagine gaming with this, right? The sound is weird as well. I wouldn't say that sound is so overtly hostile. Although it's not a natural... It's not natural sound for a keyboard. This one is so bad, though. Oh no. Can you alternate between this? It's not stabilized at all, by the way, but you can press it on either side. Oh, this enter key is so stiff. Okay, okay, this is gonna be a sweary review, I'm gonna guess. Although that said, I mean, this keyboard is obviously not made to be a dream to type on, or even suited to type on a ridiculous volume of text. It's just a kiosk keyboard. Still. Oh, brother. Okay, well, thanks, Sticker, for this donation, I guess. I'm going to have to find a week to torture myself with this thing, and as unfortunately it seems to be perfectly functional. Thanks for the donation. Thanks to you guys for watching, and I'll see you in another video down the line. Cheers, guys.